Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be measuring your shoulder horizontal abduction and adduction. We're going to start with abduction first. So you're already in the seated position, and what I'm going to have you do is I'm just going to have you raise your humerus, abduct it to 90 degrees. You're going to keep your elbow extended, and you're going to keep the palm of your hand facing down, just like that. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to palpate for the bony landmark, which is the superior aspect of the acromion process of the shoulder. Okay, so let me feel for that. Okay, so I have it right here. I have the access point right here, the superior part of the acromion process, and I'm going to take the first measurement. All right, movable bar is going to be, the stationary bar is going to be placed toward the neck. Okay, I got it right here. And the movable bar is going to be parallel to the humerus. Okay, so just kind of move it a little bit forward. Okay. All right, I got that access point on there, so we're at 0 degrees. I got my landmark. I'm going to take this off for a moment. Okay, and now what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you do the movement, which is going to be going back like this. So actually just move it back like this. Just add, yeah, just like that. Okay, I'm going to have you stay right there for me. Okay. Just behind the neck. And I'm going to put it parallel to. Okay. So what I have here, I have 21 degrees for horizontal, shoulder horizontal abduction. And normal range is 0 to 40 degrees. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing shoulder horizontal adduction. Okay, and the movement for that is going to be coming across this way. So what I'm going to have you do first is I'm going to have you abduct that arm again to 90 degrees, elbow extended, palm facing down. I forgot to say earlier, for the other one, I was supposed to stabilize proximal to the joint being measured. If I left that out, so I'm just adding that in there now. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to palpate for the superior aspect of the acromion process again. Okay, so I found the axis. I'm just going to take a quick measurement here. Stationary bar behind the neck and movable bar parallel to the humerus. So we're at 0 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to have you take that off. I'm going to have you put your arm back up here for me again. I'm going to stabilize proximal to the joint being measured. And now what I'm going to have you do is what I said earlier. We're going to adduct it horizontally. So you're going to bring it all the way in, right? As far as you can go right there. Okay, I want you to hold it right here. And I'm going to do the measurement again. Stationary bar behind the neck and movable bar is going to be parallel with the humerus. Okay. Good. So we have 94 degrees of horizontal adduction, shoulder horizontal adduction. And the normal range for that is 0 to 130.